We are finally doing our master bedroom makeover. Oh my god, the TV! Today is the day that we are finally doing our master bedroom makeover. Dun dun dun! Only 3 years later. We have been living in this house for almost 4 years, and we have always said that our master bedroom is something we've always wanted to do. We want to paint it, we want to get a new bed, but you know, life happens. You end up getting pregnant and you end up not doing any of the DIY situations that you had planned to do. It's hard because when you first move out, you're so excited to buy furniture and look at Pinterest and make a vision board, but once you kind of have like your bare necessities, aka your bed, and you can kind of make things work, you end up just putting things off because it's such a big task. But now that Bubba is coming, there is something that happens inside you mentally where you're like, okay, it's time to get shit done now, because once baby arrives, this ain't ever gonna get done. We're probably gonna live like this for the next 10 years if we don't do it right now. So we have ordered a new bed, we have ordered new bedside tables.
What? I have not had a bedside table for 4 years. It's been tough times.
Guy's literally charging his phone on the floor for the last 3 years. We're gonna have to pull everything out because our bed is literally coming on Thursday. So Graham has the dreaded task of painting this whole bedroom. We're gonna go for like a Scandi, kind of a little bit more warmer feel. I feel like our whole house is grey. I want to make this bedroom feel like really comfortable and cozy. So we're gonna be painting all of the bedroom, and we're gonna be painting the little ensuite as well. But let me show you what the room is currently looking like. Feast your eyes on the before, okay? Because it is not a pretty sight. Oh, this is the before. Feast your eyes, because this week, this whole bedroom is gonna have a transformation. I'm actually very ashamed whenever anyone ever comes into this room. We bought this house nearly 4 years ago, and this is basically what the room came like. Everything is grey. We haven't changed anything. So this is like bog standard. We literally just plonked our bed that we still had from our mum's council house, and we don't even have matching bed sheets. This is where Roller sleeps at the moment. The one thing that we have done is put in an electric blind. That's the only modification that we had to this bedroom. And then on this side is our TV that honestly we never ever turn on. I actually don't think it's worth putting a TV in your bedroom, but it has come in handy when you are sick, when you want to watch a quick Netflix show. I want to paint this room like a nice beigey kind of mocha shade. I really want to get some really wide bedside cabinets that has drawers. Unfortunately, when you first move into a new build house, you'll find that it doesn't have a lot of storage, so we need as much storage as we can get. This is Gran's bathroom, which is very basic. It's very small. He has his own bathroom and I have my own bathroom, and that is the secret to a 16-year relationship, guys. So we're going to be painting inside of here to get rid of the grey. These are the paint colours we decided to go for. I haven't even tried this on the wall yet, and we just bought a big tub because YOLO! So we have one shade for the bathroom, which is Dimity, which is a very light beige, and then another slightly darker tone is called Oxford Stone from Foreign Board. This shade should be a little bit more of like a warmer, deeper beige. I really hope I do not regret my paint choices.
Step number 1, get you out of the room. She's a nuisance.
Good riddance.
Good riddance.
You're gonna try to do this all yourself?
One man bandit, mate.
Oh my god, the TV! Yes, man goes to the gym.
Gym works wonders.
That's my man right there! Yes! I feel so helpless right now, but I am using my pregnancy as a pass.
And just like that.
It's all empty now, guys! This really reminds me of when we first moved into this house, and I remember walking into this bedroom and I was like, oh, this is gonna be our master bedroom. And it's actually so big as well. It's very rare to find a house that has 4 bedrooms all the same size. Like, normally you always find like one box room, but oh my god, we're finally bringing our creation to life. Brian just took out the little plug socket so we could paint nicely around it. And now we're gonna lay down all of this fabric so it doesn't ruin our carpet. Dun, dun, dun. You'd be surprised at how many creamy off-whites there are. Oh! Are you ready? Panels are coming in, baby. Guess how long we've had these panels for, guys?
We've had them since 2021. Bedside cabinet.
Okay, now is officially a moment in history, guys, where Guang can hopefully get his first bedside cabinet.
Never had one before.
Now you're gonna know what luxury really feels like. Are we gonna regret our choices? Dun, dun, dun. This is why I ordered. I thought it would be like a really light wood, like almost like bamboo kind of shade, you know. I wanted it to have like a Scandinavian theme. But the colour that we got is like old grandma. This is the type of wood that my dad would have bought back in the days. As you cannot tell me that is the same colour. Like, look how light it looks on camera. And in real life, it's like this really dark yellowy wood. So I think we might have to do a little return.
Today is day 3. As you can see, brand new walls.
And now Grant is destroying it because I had the wild idea of putting paneling behind the TV. So we basically tried to measure this all out yesterday. And I'm like, yes, this needs to happen. So on the other side is our nursery. And we are planning to put a socket back here so that when we are chilling or we need the camera in here, we just need some more sockets in this room. So the plan is for Guang to feed a socket and put it on this side of the wall and then drill a hole through to the other side so that he can put a socket on both sides.
I don't know what's behind here, but...
Bruh.
Oh. It's reinforced.
Oh. Go! There's holes upon holes upon holes and a lot of cleaning up to do. So Grang has patched up all of the holes and he now has to like file this down and repaint it. Hopefully he's gonna sort out this. This is not looking very cute, but he hasn't been able to do any drilling because I've been filming. So instead, he has taken upon himself to actually start painting the bathroom.
This is so long. Go around this radiator, yards. Just the pain of my life.
Wow, you have been in DIY mode.
Today I had to get a mask with 2 stinky breath.
That means business today.
Darth Vader.
Wow! We are changing out the light bulb. I actually bought this lampshade from made.com and I do not like it. It's not the same colour as the walls. So we're switching it out and we're going to go for a black light instead. Our new bedside cabinet have just come in. Take 2. Hopefully we love these ones. We decided to go for black bedside cabinets instead. I feel like you can't go wrong with a good black cabinet. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to love these and we're not going to have to return them and order another one. I feel like there needs to be a service where the furniture just comes already packed, ready to go, rather than you have to fix it all yourself. Does it fit? It fits perfectly! Just like that, we have bedside cabinets. Oh, look. I'm actually so excited now. I feel like we're getting one step closer there. Now we just need to hang our lamp and then get all of our technology bits all plugged in. But I do not know what I'm going to put inside my bedside cabinet. We've got 3 drawers to play with and I'm so glad we went for the wider drawers as well, so it took up most of the space. Extra storage is always needed. Dun, 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 dun. So now that we have our beautiful bedside cabinets, today is finally the day that we unbox the big bad boy, the super king size bed. We was literally trying to get up the stairs yesterday. It was comical, guys. We were literally so tired just trying to pull up the stairs, trying to pivot. It was like that moment in Friends when they're trying to pivot the couch. Pivot! Pivot! So we was looking up and down for the perfect bed and we discovered this brand called Sonno and they do so many amazing beds. They have so many different styles, different fabric colours, and I think the one that we picked is literally perfect. I'm going to leave all the links to everything down below. This is like what we've been waiting for the whole time.
A super king.
Yeah! You spend 50% of your life in bed. So I personally think that when you invest in a bed, you're gonna invest into so many other areas of your life. You're gonna get a much better sleep, which means that you are well rested, so you can actually think, work better as well. You know, beds are something that you only buy like once in a blue moon. So whenever you do buy it, I would say like definitely like get yourself a good mattress, get yourself something that has storage and also looks aesthetically pleasing as well. Wow, the quality of this bed is so nice, very sleek. Okay, now that we have the super king size bed here, it is time for new bedding. I am on a mission to create a hotel bed at home, and we have all new bedding. This is from a brand called Beldor. They have so many different kinds of bed sheets. We literally got new sheets, new duvets, new blankets. Look at all of our new bedding, guys. We are about to have the best sleep of our life tonight. Now we put on a waterproof mattress topper to make sure that everything stays nice and fresh. And now we want to put on a fitted sheet. The quality of this is so nice and thick. I have never been one of those people that has loads of pillows on the bed for no reason, but I'm about to become one of those girlies. Always gone to hotel rooms and I thought, what pillows do they use? Because it's so comfortable. And I realised is that you have to get the right type of pillow filling. Perfect big puffy square. Now we need to do our bolster pillow. This is like the really long pillow. So you know when you just want to like sit up. And for our main pillows, we're going with the goose down. And then on top of that is the matching pillowcase. You just want to jump in bed right now. But wait, we have the main piece de la resistance, the ultimate duvet. I feel like if you can only invest in one thing, it should be in a good duvet. Oh my god, it actually feels like the hotel duvets. You know the hotel duvets, I feel like they're so warm, but they're so light. Wow, look at that. Everything obviously still has all the creases, so we need to iron all this out. But oh my god, this bed, I know I'm gonna have the best night's sleep in here. Wow, it feels like a cloud. Oh my goodness. So I found these lights on Amazon. You can actually put onto the wall and they actually look really nice and sleek. This is what they look like. You can actually touch them and they change colour. You can have a little party in your bedroom. Hey! And the nice thing about these is that they're rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about any wires. This is how I'm gonna have the perfect 5 AM morning routine. Perfect for our room. How beautiful is that? I've always wanted one of these and I thought, finally, now that we have a bedroom, this is gonna be perfect. It actually goes with our headboard perfectly. Okay, to finish off the room, I've been waiting to light my Defray candle. Who is ready for the big reveal? The moment we have all been waiting for, guys. I cannot believe this is the bedroom. Oh, I've always dreamt of having a room that literally feels like you're in a hotel. And I feel like your bedroom is somewhere that you want to go for like peace, serenity at the end of a long stressful day. And honestly, I feel like we've achieved that hotel-esque bedroom. Like, it's crazy how you have like a vision in your head and everything starts coming to life. We have bedside cabinets now. Oh my god. And then I love the sound hatch machine as well. It's got sound bars in here, it's got meditations. We've got our light, which has like all these different settings. And it's nice because there's no wires as well. It's literally just like a battery in here. We can have a party in here if we wanted to, hey! Look on this side, guys, look at our paneling. Do you remember when this wall just had like holes upon holes upon holes? And now look, there's no wires, there's lights behind our TV. I feel like this is going to be so nice, especially for my postpartum journey. Obviously, I do not know what giving birth is like, but if I have to have emergency C-section, I'm going to have to be bedbound for like 2 weeks. So I really wanted to make sure that our bedroom was super cozy so that we can actually like spend time in bed. And this has been a project now for like over 4 years. Oh my god, even just looking at a room like this, how beautiful. How do you feel?
Aged me 2 years.
Gang has literally done blood, sweat and tears for this bedroom. It's crazy.
Forearms are busted, my nails are busted.
I'm too scared to let roll it on the new bed, but we have our super king size bed. And when I tell you the sheets, the mattress, everything, it's just telling me that we're gonna have the best night's sleep tonight. And I feel so proud of us as well. I really hope you guys watch this video and take this as your sign, as like when you have a vision, bring it to life. There's nothing more satisfying, honestly. I think for a long time, like we feel feel guilty for like spending money on ourselves or buying little trinkets for our home. But honestly, like now that I walk into this room, I think to myself, why do we live like that for 4 years?
I know.
Why do we not invest into ourselves?
We're really thinking about like revamping our home. Maybe some bathrooms.
Yeah.
Maybe some paint and just changing it up a little bit.
It is actually crazy what a lick of paint will do to a room.
Yeah.
Especially for your bedroom as well. It should be somewhere that is not stressful. I used to live in a house full of clutter, and now I'm in a place that I just want to like declutter everything, especially now that baby is coming. And it's such a shame that it took me to be pregnant for us to feel like, oh my god, we actually like need to get the things on our to-do list done now. And I'm so glad that we've done it. This is your sign to do the things you've always wanted to do, okay? And honestly, like when you start actually getting an emotion or everything, like, and everything starts coming together, you feel so proud of yourself. We are also in the middle of doing our nursery transformation, so if you guys want to see that room have a complete makeover, the video will be coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys got some inspo watching this video, and honestly, like, get yourself a grand, get yourself someone that could do some nice DIY for you, and we are gonna have the best sleep tonight. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Do you guys want to see what the truth is? This is Randall's shit stained. He had diarrhea. You get a dog day's head. Yeah, fluff them out. They do not look cute. Hide the vibrators.